Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Toyota RAV4 maintenance light, a simple task you can do yourself. To begin, place your key into the ignition. Turn it to the first position, which is the accessory mode, just before the engine starts. It is important to confirm your odometer display shows trip before moving to the next step. This ensures the reset process works correctly for your vehicle. Now find the trip meter reset button on your dashboard. This is usually a small knob or button near your odometer display. Press and hold this button down. While keeping it pressed, turn your ignition key to the second position. This is the ignition on setting, where all your dashboard lights illuminate, but the engine itself is not yet running. Keep that button held down for the next crucial step. You're doing great. Continue to hold the trip meter button for about 10 seconds. During this time, pay close attention to the maintenance light on your dashboard. You should see it flash a few times, and you might even hear a soft beep. After these visual and auditory cues, the light should completely disappear. This signifies that your vehicle's maintenance counter is successfully being reset. Once the maintenance light has turned off, you can release the trip meter button. Now, go ahead and start your Toyota RAV4 engine. The maintenance light should remain off, confirming a successful reset. If for any reason the light is still illuminated, don't worry. Simply repeat these steps one or two more times. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get the timing just right. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.